Okay, it's November 7, year 2023. Okay, here's another repair project. This is HDMI. I mean HMDI. It's a machine interface, human machine interface, HMI. Yeah. Okay, the problem with this is the touchscreen is not working, but now I'm able to make it work. Okay, there. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Clear. So it's now working. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9. Okay, main menu, clear. Okay, go to main menu. Okay, it's now working. The initial problem, sometimes when it gets hot, it's not working. So I have changed this is the glass panel that I have changed. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.